We got a huge space here at Metricon Stadium. Come party with us, just like an old school festival experience.
We chose Metricon Stadium because it's the safest venue in Australia.
Standing up and enjoying all the live action sports and music has been approved by the Queensland Health Department.
Just like festivals used to be.
In 2020, Metricon Stadium had 43 AFL games and 6 BBL games. That's 35 more matches than the previous year due to their proven COVID protocols.
Masks are available if you want them.
We also have hand sanitizer throughout the venue.
All staff and crew are temperature checked before every shift, so it's safe before you even arrive.